Ready to turn your Facebook engagement into Amazon earnings? First, find an awesome product on Amazon that your audience will love. Grab your unique Amazon affiliate link for that product from your Amazon Associates account. Now, head over to your Facebook page. Click on the Create Post box to start a new post. Write a compelling description of the product, highlighting its benefits and why your audience needs it. Keep it engaging and authentic. Paste your Amazon affiliate link directly into the post. This is how you'll earn commissions. To make your link look cleaner and more trustworthy, shorten it using a free service like Bitly or €10. Copy the shortened link. Replace the original, long Amazon link with the shortened link in your post. Much better, right? Finally, click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully added an Amazon affiliate link to your Facebook page. Remember to track your earnings in your Amazon Associates account and keep posting valuable content with relevant product recommendations.